If someone isn't giving you the energy you want, don't chase. Pull back. No long paragraphs, no emotional outbursts, no over-explaining. Just distance yourself, redirect your focus. The second you stop treating them like they're the center of your world, you shift the dynamic. Think about it. If they're acting in a way that will bother you in a relationship, but they're not your partner yet, why are you reacting like they are? Their actions tell you everything you need to know. Pay attention not with words, but with your energy. And let's be real, someone who is truly secure in themselves isn't panicking over a late text. They're too busy living their life. If you find yourself needing to explain why you're upset, you've already lost your power. The strongest move, just stop caring so much. The moment you do, they'll start wondering why.